Morning guys, it's day 2. We have Ram and Mummy today, so we're having breakfast.
Say hi guys! Hi! Hi.
We are Mandir, we're gonna do darshan. We're in the car, this one's the driver. Let's get out. So we're at Mandir, we come to the darshan. Our family's here. And look at the view. It's so nice. Hey guys, welcome back. We are at Gangaji in Bekra and we come to do darshan and look at the views. The view is so nice and I can't wait to do darshan. So this is the Ganga River. It's dried up now because of the sun, but when it's the rainy season, it fills up with water, sometimes overflows.
Hello, they go round. Hello, the Mandir crow.
One, two, buckle my shoes. This side. This side. This side. Okay, so now we are going to the Bhanderi farm. We are on our way right now. Mom's driving. It's very bumpy. The gates are open for us.
Who's coming? Justin is coming.
And just so now is helping. We've now arrived at Bhanderi farm. It's 15 acres big. It's very big. And different time of season, different various fruits or vegetables grow. Yeah. Look at the
Come on the right time.
And guys, look at the cute dogs and my nanny and Nana. Okay.
Look what she's doing. Take a video of mommy. And we're gonna have Amelie.
Amelie. You like Amelie?
Cows just munching.
Yeah.
Dulo kayo eh, dulo. Dulo.
Yeah? Open it. Open it. No, you're meant to eat this.
The dog.
दे आजो मार निकल आप दे तीन दीजियो पकड़ दी नाम दे दे नहीं कर रहे कहीं नहीं कर रहे
It's scary. I'm scared. Oh.
अलग टाइट वहाँ थोड़ा दी आंसू याल रही है पर
Mira, it's like this. It's scary. It's just looking. Yeah, but that's scary. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
वो तो याल आम याल
You hold my hand. I can't do
Come closer, look, go closer. It's like feeding body.
I'm scared. Hold my hand. It's saliva. Nice. Okay, I'll hold it.
Look this way and smile.
How are you doing it?
Zach, smile this way, look. Cheese, smile. Zach.
How?
Look at the tongue.
How are you doing it? It's so scary. They don't bite. They don't have sharp. Okay. So this is a jumbo tree, and we're going to try to find any jumbo. Right now I can't, but if you look toward the left, this is the pomegranate tree, and I have spotted there is a pomegranate growing here. And if you walk over here, we've got date, and mango.
Mango.
This is a mango tree,
Bata mango ini.
and you can see small mangoes here. 1, 2. Nani, where's the mangoes? This is a coconut tree. And there's tiny coconuts growing on it. I'm going to take pictures. There's only 2 on this one. Look at this beautiful
Đang là một giáp người không chụp. All the way to that boundary.
Look at the body.
Wait, Gilly, just coming out.
So do you see that boundary on the bar back there?
Yeah,
that
L
is
coming out is that on
the body.
Is that Adam over there?
Yeah.
And in this season, there's thali growing. Just like
She won't pick her up. There's my sign must have got me. It's okay. It's okay. You get used to it. Stay over here. Hey. Yeah, moving on. Yeah.
this is all darum green. I love darum. They're so nice. And my feet are gone all sandy because of the sand. As you can see them. It makes me want to go to the beach. This is papaya. Look at the tree up there. It's loads.
सन पाके लिए हम लेदर खपसे
And I think we might need a ladder to get the papayas down because it's so tall. Oh my god. Or maybe just like it's a daro from the vari. It's small and it tastes super juicy. Como daro.
घरे पड़े हैं कोई नहीं खाता
Some big one. How good?
Oh, good girl. Well done. She got rid of the rubbish on the floor. The right thing.
ओलिवन पाके लिए
Jesus.
ले चतन
No? Okay.
अर्ध वे
You nice?
अच्छी का मैं वही तक तोड़े नहीं तो संभाल कर सो खाना क्या जावानो ये सुई फिटिंग कर दे आपने गमे नहीं साइज तो मोटी ई कर दे
Okay, so Jasunani somehow also dangerously got some nariyal, aka coconut from the tree. And my advice for you when you come in April or in the summertime is drink coconut water. It really helps. So this is the main water of the valley. They use it to supply for the valley, as in like to help the fruits and vegetables grow. And it's kind of scary. It's basically like a big swimming pool, but I wouldn't go in it.
Tata meow.
Mira, is it fun? Is it fun? Mama. Can I come inside? Can I guys? But I don't go near it. Okay, so right now they're just taking the milk out of the cows. So this is a female cow. That one over there is a male cow, and that one there is a female cow. As you can see, the baby is eating.
ये तो हॉलीडे पूरी था करेली ठीक है आ गाड़ी ने આગળ જ બંધ થાય સમજો
આને
હા વાસલા આગળ વધી ને
તો જો જાતે નહીં હવે
તો
હા થઈ રહ્યું ને હવે જાતે નહીં તો પણ
બંધ જાતે ના કાપા
અને ઘણું હે
ઓય બંધ તે હોસ્ટેલમાં
Come on. Huh? Hey! Ayo tu.
ગીત ગાવે આની કામ મને બે ઓરા બે
Kau. Amu kah? Amu.
તમે ડો પછી આ ખાઈ પીવે ને તમે ડો પછી તમે ડો પછી આ ખાઈ પીવે ને ના ગાય ને એટલું દીધું પછી ઠગતા જીભ હમ નથી આવતી પછી શું ખાય ચલો ખાય રીતી ચલો ખાય ને એ મને બીક લાગે ની એ સુની જો દાવે ની જીભ બોજો અનિતા ની ઓણે સુની ખાઈ લે કાઈ નહીં કરે
She's alright. Okay. Ready?
We got today the one Jamvanu. Looks delicious. Delicious fun for we're just in a different shape. And obviously going to go to the bar. This is khichdi.
Puri,
Puri. That's covered.
there's saag in there, batatanu saag,
Yeah,
kattu,
that's good. That's sev.
sev, Lokri.
Lokri, there we go. Lokri's nice. Syrup. Now we have people making the food here. From what I can see, it looks like they're making puri. Where is my phone?
Bye.